Hi, Lawrence Sanek here at Home Seller Homebuyer Podcast. Thank you for joining us today so you can learn about Homebuyer episode number 29, What Happened to Credit Scores? What just happened to credit scores? Are you about to apply or in the process of applying for a home loan? You may want to consider paying off your credit card bill first. I know, we used to say do not do that, but that has been changed. Due to a recent change by major credit rating agencies, mortgage lenders can now look at whether you pay off your bill every month or keep a balance. That means home buyers who pay off their credit cards may earn an advantage when looking for a mortgage. Before the change, lenders looked at basic information like your total debt and whether you were on time with your payments when deciding whether to make a home loan. But they didn't know whether you were paying off your credit card or other revolving debts in full or carrying a balance month to month. In September 2016, there was a change when two of the three major rating agencies, Equifax and Transunion, began using trending data. By using trending data, lenders have access to a more comprehensive view of a buyer's debt management habits. They will now know how much someone paid off each month on those accounts over the past 2 years. Lenders may reward those who regularly pay more than the minimum on revolving debts or pay them off in full. Experian is also expected to begin offering trending data soon. It is the first time in 30 years that the standard information provided to lenders on credit reports has been updated according to Equifax. Fannie Mae was behind this change. The mortgage giant that guarantees many of the loans in the U.S. is Fannie Mae. And Fannie Mae found that all of the things being equal, borrowers who paid off their credit card every month were 60% less likely to become delinquent than borrowers who make only the monthly minimum payment. Fannie Mae will now regularly review this information to help improve the risk assessment. The final decision on who gets the loan will still remain with the lender, who can decide whether or not they want to consider this factor. Trending data is still in the early adoption, and Fannie Mae's influence over the industry means they expect it to become part of the regular mortgage review process. Fannie Mae Credit Bureau lenders say they intend to use the additional information to expand the number of loans available, not to penalize those who do carry a balance. It's going to benefit someone who is on the border today, said Mindy Armstrong at Fannie Mae. Consider two individuals that have equal profiles, Jim and Joan. Jim makes the minimum payments each month, while Joan pays her credit cards off in full. They both have been maybes in the loan officer's mind, but this factor could tip Joan into the approved column. Armstrong said it's just one factor of the risk management. These are all things you can do to put yourself in a better position. Your credit score and credit worthiness will be determined by many other factors. The most important, if you pay your bills on time and how much of your available credit you use. So paying down debts aggressively can have an added bonus of improving your utilization rate and your credit score too. The trending data is a new process that has been recently implemented and hopefully will help us all. Thank you for listening to Homebuyer episode 29, What Happened to Credit Scores? We are grateful for the time you have taken to listen to this podcast, and we look forward to your input on what you would like to hear in future podcasts. You can find the show notes at homesellerhomebuyer.com, and you can leave your comments, questions, and suggestions by using the Contact Us form on the right-hand side, or you can email us at info@homesellerhomebuyer.com. Tell your family, friends, and coworkers about Home Seller Homebuyer. Thank you for taking the time out of your busy day to listen to the Home Seller Homebuyer podcast, and catch us on the next episode. Thank you for listening so you can stay informed.